Not gonna lie, man, I'm ecstatic to get to these, man. The last time I seen lettering on the SB was these joints here. And this ain't even letters, this is emojis. Shout out to the Bronx, man. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C-Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Today in 4K, we're going to unbox and review the Bronx Girl Skate Nike SB. These joints are fire. Look at the Stingray Pebbles, guys. Just look at the Stingray Pebbles, man. I'm from Brooklyn, man. All my life. I never knew the Bronx had a skate shop or a skate club with girls. I never knew that, man. So this is dope, man. A lot of different Bronx joints here, man. From the train station colors. If you ever look at an MTA train map, the colors are there. The graffiti. We're going to get into it all, man. New York on the back, man. Yo, I'm ecstatic to get into this, man. Let's not talk too much. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So we still getting the chrome, white, silver box. Not my favorite, but I really don't care about the box. But I think it's time, SB, that we switch it up, man. Like, the rainbow joint's still my favorite, the lightsaber box, but we still getting this one. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Black White Challenge Red. We know we got more colors in there than just the Challenge Red. That must just be the the popular ones. Flip open the lid. The regular nice Nike SB tissue paper. And this one does come with the Nike SB glow in the dark sticker. And here is a 364K view of the Bronx Girls Nike SB. Now, like I told y'all, man, that Stingray Pebble, fire, man. Look at it, man. All through the shoe, making it look like a glitter look, even though it's not really glittering. Man, that's the star of the sneaker, dog. I don't know where the Stingray look in the Bronx really connect. Again, I'm from Brooklyn. I hardly go to the Bronx, guys. But, you know, hip-hop was made there. A lot of good stuff came out of the Bronx, despite what you hear, man. But that Stingray is fire. So you got the orange striping around the front of the shoe. That's for the lines, I think is the F, the B, the M. Those lines are orange in the train system. So that's where you get that from. And those run through the Bronx. Then it goes to the green. The green is also trains that go to the Bronx and end in the Bronx. That's the 4, 5, and the 6. So it looks just like the train map lines. That is super dope, man. You get a white swoosh. I like it. I like the white swoosh. The white swoosh really pops there. And that's in just regular leather. It comes off of the Stingray. Come to the back. You have a gold New York emblem hanging there. And if you know, we wear a lot of gold jewelry in New York. And this looks just like a nameplate that a lot of people wear with their name on it. But right here it just says NY for New York. The Nike logo, which is one of my favorite logos, even though it's just original in that white too, the white is really popping on that Stingray black, guys. So besides the gold on the back, on the very bottom of the shoelaces, you get BXGS. I'm guessing that stands for Bronx Girls Skate Shop. That's dope, man. Looks just like a 4-finger ring. Again, that's a New York thing, man. It's a New York thing. Dope. Pillow tongue, of course. It's a Nike SB. Again, the white just pops because of the colors from the train lines. On the back of the tongue, though, you get the logo for the BX Girls Skate Shop joint, the Bronx joint. I like it. The shoelaces that come laced is all black, but it does say Bronx Girls Skate Shop on the very front of the lace. I like this, man. They really represent it here. Let's pull this out. Regular tissue. We have some wording in here. Coming together as a family. And this is from one of the owners or founders of the skate shop. So that's in the inside of the shoe. They really represent it, guys. I'm not going to lie. Even on the bottom of the shoe, you get a train with the Bronx Girl Skate Shop logo on the bottom. All black, but translucent bottom. This is a dope shoe, guys. You can see the translucent on the bottom. I really like this shoe. I didn't think I would like this shoe this much. On the back of the shoe, it says the Bronx. Dope shoe, man. And this is only the left side, guys. Let's get to the right side. So with the right side here, you get some red now. And that's for the other trains that go through the Bronx, which is the 1, 2, and the 3. But you still got the green for the 4, 5, and the 6. And you still got the orange for the B, D, F, and M, the other trains that go through the Bronx. So, man, they really worked on this shoe, man. The gold here, okay. It still says the Bronx Girls there. The New York is still there. But instead of saying the Bronx here, it says the world. So I really like that, man. And this one also says Bronx Skate Shop on the bottom. So this is the right side. If you're trying to spot fakes, these are the things that you need to look at. This one has white shoelaces that reads Bronx Girls. So it comes laced in the black, but they also give you white. And I can see how the white could pop because the white is popping everywhere else on the shoe. But I like the black look, man. But again, the star for me is this Stingray whatever. This is fire, man. The bottom stays the same also. Bronx train, all that good stuff. Yes, sir, man. One of the best SBs of the year. I know we only in February, but this is one of the best SBs of the year. There's some things I didn't show y'all. Let me get into this. I was trying to figure out what it was. But right here in the inside looks like a little cheeseburger. Right? Some kind of sandwich, maybe a chopped cheese. New York, we known for the chopped cheese. And this one here, I guess is the Bronx Skate Shop logo. It looks like X-Men. But yeah, that's an X in there. BX maybe, something of that nature. So yeah, man, a lot of logos, a lot of representing for the Bronx in this shoe. Again, hip-hop was made in the Bronx. I know the Bronx gets a bad rep now, but a lot of stuff happened in the Bronx. Again, I'm from Brooklyn, so we ain't going to give the Bronx too much. But a lot happened there, man. But from Nike, I think $130 after tax for me. I think right now I checked, prices is a little up there, like at $180. But the SBs ain't been going for too much, man. The Narwhal joints, they low. The ones before that, SBs ain't the star right now. But this sneaker is dope, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a little biased, so maybe why it's not that popular. It's like it's really the Bronx here. Even when Born and Raised did their thing, this was a popular shoe, but at that time, SBs were through the roof. And plus, this represents a whole California, a whole coast, compared to this shoe just repping the Bronx. So it's a big difference in that, man. But it's a dope shoe, man. I like it, man. Let me know in the comment section below how y'all feel about these, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.